When Abraham Lincoln was young, he was too poor to go to school. He learned to read and write by himself. His hard work helped him become the 16th President of the United States. Soon after Lincoln became president, a war started between Americans in the North and the South. He did not want people in the United States to go to war. The people fought about slavery. Lincoln did not agree with slavery. He helped to end slavery in America. Lincoln appears on the penny and the $5 bill. The most famous memorials of Lincoln are at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., and Lincoln's sculpture or carving on Mount Rushmore. Fun facts. Abraham Lincoln's nickname was Honest Abe. He was the tallest president at 6 feet 4 inches. He was the first president to have a beard. So you need to go back and listen to this 3 times. And then you have to answer these questions. Why didn't Abraham Lincoln go to school? You're going to get a blue crayon. You're going to go into the text and figure out why he didn't go to school. You're going to underline why he didn't go to school. So if I go up here and I re-listen to the story, when Abraham Lincoln was young, he was too poor to go to school. I would underline this in blue, and then I would write that here. The next one says, why did the North and South fight? Again, you need to re-listen to this to find the answer. Pause, underline, and write the answer and underline with green. Your answer should be written in pencil. What is a sculpture? You can find sculpture in the text, and then it gives you an example of what a sculpture is. You need to write that here. What is your favorite fact of Abraham Lincoln? So you need to look at the fun facts about Abraham Lincoln and pick your favorite. Make sure you go back and re-listen to the story so you can get some extra help.